And then I had another similar, as a seller, that same year, I sold a pair of Jordan 4s, and I followed the instructions. Get it scanned in at the post office. They pay you out once it arrives there, once they authenticate it. It never made it to them. It got stuck in limbo. So, I go to their FAQs. They're saying if a package doesn't move, contact us. We'll open a case with the post office. Did all that. Month goes by. 2 months go by. I don't have my shoes. I don't have my money.
Yeah.
And then my account is going to get flagged as never shipped an item. So they're destroying my account. And that one, I kind of was just like, I was prepared to just take the L on that one.
Right.
I tried to contact the post office myself, see if they could like locate
that ain't
the
happening.
package.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I kind of just accepted that.
So what happened to the shoes?
They ended up getting them maybe like 2-3 months later. Yeah. And they did pay me out.
Oh. Well, okay.
But it's just like the communication and the whole, your account is flagged. You didn't ship out the shoes when you said you was going to ship them out. I'm telling you guys what happened, and you guys aren't following like the procedures that you laid out.
Right.
It was just like the experience was so bad. It's just like, I don't think it was easy at first, but when a problem comes up, like if I'm following all the rules, like do your job.
Right.
They didn't do their job.
Right.
So
and these are supposed to be like the techie,
premier
like
platform, sneaker, yeah. And they failed to do that. So